chon.
Ramogi kawadhi motimore e od bura ni Renson Mulele manowal kaka ogai mar jomin buche odaa dhoge kawuono ka idwaro mondo ler gima omiyo osewito ko buche manomako moko kuom jotelo mapachoka. Mulele manotiyo e apisi mar apis jatend jomin buche kuom thuolo mar higni 9 ni dwaro mondo mi oler kabende onyalo bedo gi chung' motegno e tije ma ok odewo kama siasa ochomo poni obiro yudo tijno. Mulele odaa dhoge tok wale kod jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo kaw kar Nordin Haji mane omi lemo mar jatend apisas go ma jong'wecho kata NIS.
As you have put it here, I do know they're opening another court. You have said they're opening a court is Lokichar. Yeah. That translates into ODPP employing a prosecutor and support staff. We will not be able with the current situation. That is the biggest problem we have. They are ahead of us because we don't have funds. We can't move with them. And ideally, for the criminal justice system to move at the best scenario, we must be at par with judiciary. But as it is, we are not anywhere near. As a public servant, we are guided by Article 232 of the Constitution about values and integrity and all that goes with Chapter 6 as public servants. That will be my guiding principle, if confirmed by this committee, to be the next Director of Public Prosecutions.